In today's video, I am going to teach you how to navigate Meta Business Suite for beginners. Once you are already logged into your Meta Business Suite account, start on the home dashboard. This is the main overview area, and it gives you a quick summary of what is happening across your business accounts. On the home page, you can review recent activity, notifications, updates, and other important information related to your connected Facebook and Instagram accounts. Next, move to the content section. This is where you can create and manage posts, stories, and reels. If you regularly publish content to Facebook or Instagram, this area helps you organize what you want to share and where it will appear. It is one of the main sections you will use for day-to-day content management. After that, open Planner. Planner shows your content calendar and any posts you have already scheduled. This makes it easier to see your publishing timeline in one place. You can review upcoming content and keep track of what is planned for each day. Then go to Inbox. In this section, you can manage messages, comments, and conversations from your connected accounts. It helps you stay on top of communication without switching between platforms. If you are handling customer questions or audience engagement, this is where you will monitor those interactions. You can also open notifications to review recent alerts and account activity. This is useful for staying aware of updates, actions, and anything that may need your attention. Next, click Insights. This section gives you performance data for your page and content. You can view information like reach, engagement, and audience metrics. If you want to understand how your content is performing, this is the section to review regularly. If you plan to run promotions, select Ads. This area allows you to create or manage advertising campaigns connected to your business. It is designed for paid marketing activity and campaign control. You can also click All Tools to access more business features and settings. This section gives you a broader view of the tools available in your account, including options that may not appear in the main navigation right away. As you move through the platform, use the left navigation menu to switch between sections. This helps you manage your business efficiently and return to the areas you use most often. Anytime you want a quick overview of your performance and activity, return to the home dashboard. It is the easiest place to check the overall status of your business. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.